Alright YouTubers, here's a quick video on the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. We'll do side cover removal and removal of the seat, and we'll take a look at the airbox snorkel delete. Use the snorkel. Alright, to move the right side cover, just put your key in, give it a turn, and the side cover drops down and pulls away. You can see a nice tool kit that Royal Enfield gives you. To pop the seat off, just simply pull this button, give a lift, see it comes right off. You do need a 4mm hex. Remove one screw for the left side cover. Try not to drop the screw in the washer. This side cover has rubber grommets. You just pull it out and lift up. For my airbox snorkel delete, simply remove the original Royal Enfield snorkel. Pulled the screws out. I took 3 fender washers, put a slight bend in them in one side just to give tension on the air filter, and throw the screws back in, and seems to work really nice. Let's see how it goes. Side cover back on, just drop it into the slot bottom, push the grommet in, and reinstall the screw with your 4mm hex. The seat pops right back on. And then the right side cover, line up your grommets to the little pins under here, push up, push inward the key, and lock it in place. That's it. Don't forget, ride smart, ride safe.